Greetings, my name is Amy Pontillo and this YouTube video will show you how to use Signal 4's geolocation tool along with the TraCS traffic crash report. In the roadway information section, after you have picked your road system identifier, the next field is the @street address number field. In the data bar, you will see a locate button. Pushing this button will launch the location tool. Once the location tool has launched in Internet Explorer, you should see that the map focuses you on where you are at. If it does not, you can use the search for a location option at the top to type in the name of a common location or a specific address. Once you have been focused closer to where you are at, you can zoom in and zoom out by using the plus and minus signs at the bottom right hand corner. You can click on the map and drag it to pan it around. You'll notice that there are 4 options at the top. The first option is to plot an intersection. The second option is to plot a road segment. The third option is for a ramp. And the fourth option is for off-roadway. So let's go ahead and let's start by doing an intersection. I'm going to pan around here so that I can find an intersection. And I'm just going to click where my accident occurred. You will see that you have the streets displayed and there is a drop down. If you click on the drop down, it will give you other versions of that same street name for you to choose from if you desire. And if you want to switch the roadways, there is an up and down arrow and you can click to switch the streets. Once you are happy with your selection, you can click Accept and Finish. Go ahead and say yes to close the window. Once you are returned back to the form, you will see that the information has populated onto the form for you. You can edit from here if you wish. You can change the name of the street just by simply clicking on street name, and you can scroll up to the You can click on Other if you want to type in a name. Or if you're happy, you can just leave it as is. The only field that you will not be able to modify is the latitude and longitude. Those fields are disabled. If the location needs to be replotted, then click on the @street address number field. Click on the Clear button, and that will clear all of the data elements off the form. To replot the location, go ahead and click the Locate button again. This will relaunch the tool for you. So next, let's go ahead and plot a road segment. Another thing that I'll show you is that once you click on the location and it puts the little marker there, it does change you to satellite view and it does zoom you way in. You can simply click on the marker and drag it around to put it exactly where you want it. So you can really get it exact here. Again, accept and finish, and that will save your point and exit the location tool and bring you back to the form. Next, let's go ahead and do a off-roadway. I'm going to hit Clear to start over and hit Locate. So let's find a place that would be considered an off-roadway here. There we go. You'll notice that it does pick the closest address point for it, and it also picks the latitude and longitude. I'm going to click accept and finish. And it will put the closest address in there for you. I'm going to go ahead and hit clear, and let's do a ramp next. Hit locate. Alright, and let's go over here to the turnpike. Ramp. Right there. Okay. Again, you can change the name of the roadway if your preference is to put the state road name or whatnot. Accept and finish. And this will take us back to our form. Next, we will talk about some other features that are in the location tool. There are help tips built in the location tool. In the upper right hand corner, you will see a blue question mark, and if you click on it, there will be help tips offered to you. To clear your entire search and start over, you can push the start over button in the upper right hand corner. You can toggle between map and satellite view. Satellite view will allow you to see a street view. If you would like for the location tool to focus you in on your physical location, in the bottom right hand corner there's a little blue circle. When you push this, it should zoom you in. However, keep in mind that there may be technical limitations with your agency's internet routing. To view the location on an accident without actually modifying the location, you can use the View Location button on the Home tab.